Welcome to the Lamar Memorial Library at Maryville College. This is your introduction to MC Quest, the library's search engine for finding information for your research and other educational projects. In this video, you will learn the following: where to find MC Quest, the types of resources that MC Quest searches, how to search MC Quest and understand the search results, and some useful tools within MC Quest that will help you with your research. You can find MC Quest directly at library.maryvillecollege.edu. You can also start from the Maryville College homepage. Just select Quick Links and choose Lamar Memorial Library. When you search MC Quest, you're searching across a wide range of credible academic resources, print and online books, plus most of our databases with magazine, journal, and newspaper articles, videos, reference works, and more. One advantage to using MC Quest is professors and librarians select these resources to directly support your classes at Maryville College. There are several ways to search for information in MC Quest. You can do a traditional search by keyword, title, or author. You can also search for information using the natural language option. Let's start with a traditional keyword search for information on the topic: liberal arts education. Enter your terms, liberal arts education, into the search box and click search. You will then see results containing your keywords. You can explore these results looking for information that is relevant to your topic. Now let's try a natural language search. Natural language search uses AI to better analyze your search into keyword and noun phrases. Here are some examples of a natural language search. How does social media affect mental health in teens? Arguments for and against capital punishment. How does screen time affect child development? Why do employers value a liberal arts education? To do a natural language search, select the button New. Try MC Quest's natural language search. Toggle the natural language option and enter a question. For this example, let's use the question, why do employers value a liberal arts education? Your results will show the total number of matches, ranked by relevance. Display resource types, such as peer-reviewed journals, ebooks, or news. Provide citation information and access options, including full text availability. Regardless of whether you use a traditional keyword or a natural language search, MC Quest provides the same tools for refining your results. These filters are located at the top of the screen. Some of the most useful include limiting to online, full text sources, limiting to peer-reviewed sources, limiting by date of publication, and all filters, which lets you limit to source types such as news, magazines, academic journals, and ebooks. You can also limit your results by additional subjects or language. Finally, you can limit your results by where the print resources are located in the library. The main collection in the library is located downstairs in Thaw Hall and houses most of the library's print books. As you browse your search results, you will see some results with a button for Generative AI Insights. This feature provides a concise summary of the document, presenting 2 to 5 key points to help you quickly assess its relevance and reduce the time spent searching for full-text articles to support your research. MC Quest provides other tools to help you manage the sources you find. To see these tools, find a relevant source for your topic, and select the title to open the detailed record. The detailed record gives more information about the source, such as authors, subjects, publication info, and in most cases, a description summarizing the information found in the source. On the top of the screen, you will see tools that help you to cite this source and ways to find this source later. If you need help citing the source, the Cite tool will provide a suggested citation. Just look for the style that you are required to use. You can then copy and paste this citation into your Works Cited page. If you're in a hurry and need to save this source for later review, select the Share tool. You can save the detailed record to your Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also use the Create Link tool to save the URL for this record. Just make sure you save the URL in a file that you can find later. Another option for saving your information includes emailing the information to yourself. Under the Access Options box, you will see a link to open the source and read the full text. You also have the option to download the source to your computer. Going back to the results list, You can also open and read full text sources directly from the Access Options box for each record in the main results list. Remember, the resources found in MC Quest support the curriculum at Maryville College. When you begin an academic research project for a course, start with MC Quest. If you want to know more about research or using MC Quest and other library resources, the librarians at Maryville College are ready to help you in person in the library. You can also schedule an appointment with the librarians through the quick link, Make a Research Appointment, on the library's homepage. Thank you for using the Lamar Memorial Library.